How to fix shadow band on Tinder. Hi guys, it's Mikrant. Hope you guys all are fine. So without any delay, let's get started. Dealing with a shadow ban on Tinder can be tricky, as the platform doesn't officially acknowledge shadow ban or provide specific guidelines for lifting them. However, you can often report experiencing a drop in matches, message, and profile visibility when shadow banned. Here are some tips you can try to fix a shadow ban on Tinder. Evaluate your profile and behavior. Review your profile for any content that might violate Tinder's community guidelines. Consider if you have reported by other users, as multiple reports can lead to a shadow ban. Log out and log back in. Sometimes simple logging out of your profile and logging back in can help refresh your profile. Delete and recreate your account. If the above step doesn't work, consider deleting your Tinder account and creating a new one. Contact Tinder support. If you are unsure why you are shadow banned, reach out to Tinder's customer support. They might be able to provide some guidelines or lift the ban. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.